How does the skin protect the body through feeling pain, hot, cold, and pressure? So in this 2D model, it shows a person getting pricked by a cactus. So the thorn goes through 3 layers of the skin. The epidermis is the first layer of the skin. The dermis is the second layer, which is a thick layer of skin and is flexible and strong. The hypodermis is the lowest layer of skin, which is mostly made of adipose cells. In this 2D model, it shows the dermal palpae, which are projections of the dermis that interlocks with the overlaying dermis, which are the ridges. The Messner corpus is a sensory nerve that is sensitive to stimuli. It is found in the dermis in various parts of the body, which is this nerve that goes up and stops before going into the epidermis. The Paxian corpuscle is an ending of a sensory nerve that acts as a receptor for pressure and vibration, and that is located in the hypodermis and is near the bottom. The hair follicle receptor is attached to the hair follicle bulb, and its function is hair displacement. The free-ending nerves bring information from the body towards the brain. This function is essential for detecting pain. So these free-ending nerves, these ends, give the body, show the brain an impulse to move away. Nociceptors are the lower portion of the free nerve endings, a sensory receptor for painful stimuli. Merkel cells are a cell in the epidermis that is used for touch and feeling things, and the Merkel tactile is a sensory nerve ending in the epidermis that allows the recognition of touch and pressure. So in the interactions of different body systems, the nerve endings and non-receptors are given a task. When an impulse is given, it will be sent to the brain and will be sent to the spine, where then the spine will create a reflex arc, which is a nerve pathway involved in a reflex action that then sends it back to the arm to make the muscles move from the arm to move the hand away from the cactus. The structure and functions are the nerves, as I said, the nerves that go from the nerve impulse that goes from the hand to the brain to the spine and then back to the hand. The adipose cells in the dermis give heat and padding when an organism to prevent being hurt. The skin is made of 3 layers that protects the body from viruses, bacteria, and germs. The hierarchy, the integumentary system is a hierarchy because it is composed of layers that inside each layer there's a specific nerve and sensory receptors. And the skin is made up of the whole entire body, which is an organ. The weaknesses of my 2D and my 3D model is not the correct color, size, and proportion. The strengths of my 2D model and 3D model are the labels, the textures, and the order needed for all nerves and other things. So every nerve and all sensory receptors are in the correct order.